Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, I'm going to teach you how to save some money by teaching you how to make a basic cheese ball. Of course, I'll probably expand on this in the future. But this is just a basic cheese ball. Don't buy them at the grocery store anymore. Make them yourself. So, to our stand mixer, we have 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup shredded Swiss cheese, and you have to get the cheese from the blocks. You can't use the pre-shredded shit. Otherwise, it will not come together in a cohesive ball because the pre-shredded stuff is basically got a additive. I forget what it's called. It's not harmful, though, which basically prevents the cheese from sticking together. That's why I don't use pre-shredded cheese on pretty much anything where I like a pasta bake or something of that nature. Now, what you see me do here is struggle against a 8-ounce pack of cream cheese that we're going to add in as soon as my dumbass gets the goddamn thing open. All right, we got our cheeses in there. I also added, I don't know if it wasn't recording at the time or whatever, 2 tablespoons of fresh chives, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we also have some chopped up pecans, but those come in later. So basically what you want to do is mix this up on a medium speed till basically a paste forms. As you can see, I've added the chives, and now basically, like I said, you want to mix this till essentially it's a pasty, malleable ball. Should have the consistency of, I guess, Play-Doh. Okay, this is kind of important. You need a piece of wax paper to do this. And then basically you just want to roll the cheese mix into a ball. Okay, and the wax paper will actually form an important function later on, too. Okay, now we got our cheese in a ball. Now, at least a 1/4 cup of finely chopped pecans, 1/4 cup to a half a cup. And then just roll the cheese ball around and coat it to your liking. And really, that's it. The last step of this, it requires no human thought. Take a piece of wax paper, tie it on up like this, and leave in the fridge for at least 12 hours up to 24. I did 24. Ultimately, I gave up on the plastic bag. But, yeah, that's it. That's how you make a cheese ball. So, before you spend $7 to bring one to the next office party, just make it yourself. It's really that easy.